What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay Pesoloan using GCash. So you might be wondering how to exactly pay your Pesoloan here using GCash. Well, this one is fairly easy. Now, if you're not familiar with yet, Pesoloan actually uses a very specific billing provider here, or in this case, a billing name here in GCash, which in this case is going to be Dragon Loan. So first things first, you want to go ahead, open up GCash here, log in into your account, and you want to press on bills that you see here on your screen. Now from here, you want to go and just go to search billers here and just type in Dragon Loans. Now go ahead and open it up. Now from here, you just need to provide some information here, like for example, the amount that you want to pay, the reference number here, which in this case, you could get that in the Pesoloan app, and the contact number and the email address here. Now, at the very bottom, you should be able to see the next button. So go ahead and just press on the next button here to proceed with the confirmation. So again, make sure that your reference number is correct, contact number as well. And but once you've reviewed that and confirm a few things here, you should be able to make your payment here through GCash. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.